Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Zulfikar. I'm from Jakarta. I would like to talk about how to make a good presentation. What's the presentation? Presentation is an activity of submitting the topic, opinion, or information to others. I have many tips how to make a presentation, good presentation. First, you must greet the audience. Secondary, you must explain it briefly, solidly, and clearly. And the last, you must open answer and question between the presenter and the audience. That's all from me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.